Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is our next problem. Problem having been chosen from the book Modern Physics by Paul A. Tipler. First we come to its statement. You have been posted to a remote region of space to monitor traffic. Near the end of a quiet shift, a spacecraft streaks past. Your laser based measuring device reports the spacecraft's length to be 85 meters. The identification transponder reports it to be the NCXXB12, a cargo craft of proper length 100 meter. In transmitting your report to headquarters, what speed should you give for this spacecraft? Dear students, before going to its solution in a proper manner, I think two terms have been used which appear very rarely in our daily life. Okay, so first we come towards the dictionary meaning of those two words. First word is streak, which means running fast, and second is transponder. Okay, transponder is relatively familiar term. Anyhow, we come to these two terms. Okay, streak, move very fast in a specified direction. Okay, streak, move very fast in a specified direction. For example, as an example, the cat streaked across the street. Okay, now we come towards the dictionary meaning of transponder. In telecommunications, a transponder is a device that upon receiving a signal emits a different signal in response. The term is a blend of transmitter and responder. Okay. Dear students, now after having some understanding about these two words, terms, we come towards our solution. Okay, dear students, in our solution to this problem will be totally based on this snapshot which has been given in two similar versions. Okay, two versions from two different books have been shown here. Okay, first version says length contraction L is equal to L naught into 1 minus u square over c square, where L naught is proper length. Or we come to the same philosophy through an alternate alternate way. Okay, the length of an object measured by an observer at rest relative to the object is called the proper length L naught. The length of the same object measured by an observer who sees the object moving at speed v is L, where L is equal to L naught into under root 1 minus v square over c square. This effect is known as length or space contraction because moving objects are contracted in the direction of their motion. Okay, so dear students, our solution to this problem will be totally based on this philosophy, on this ideology. Okay, now we try to solve this problem. Okay, using L equal to 85 meter, L naught, that is proper length, equal to 100 meter, C speed of light equal to 2.998 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second in this equation which has been shown in the above. Okay, in the above, the only in these two alternate versions, the only difference is that here symbol U is used, while here symbol V is used. Okay, it does not make very much difference. Okay, it is the discretion of the author. Okay, so using a L equal to 85 meter, proper length L naught equal to 100 meter, C equal to C speed of light equal to 2.998 Newton raised to the power 8 meter per second in L equal to L naught 1 minus V square over C square. Equation number 1, we get what we get after putting these values in this expression. We get 85 meter is equal to 100 meter into under root 1 minus V square over, in place of C square we have used its value, that is 2.998 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second whole square. Okay, this implies that we shift 100 meter on other side of equality, so it will become 85 meter divided by 100 meter. We take square on both sides, so this square will become equal to 1 minus V square over same denominator, except the difference that here square of meter per second becomes meter square per second square, and square of 10 raised to the power 8 becomes 10 raised to the power 16. Okay, no more difference. Okay, this implies that. Now in the next step, what we have done, we have shifted V square over this. Okay, the factor after 1 is shifted on other side of equality, so it becomes positive instead of negative, and this factor, that is 85 divided by 100 square, becomes on other side of the equality with minus sign. Okay, here dear students, meter will be cancelled out with meter, and 85 divided by 100 whole square becomes equal to this 0.7225. Okay, so this factor after being shifted on other side of equality will become minus, while this factor after being transferred to other side of the equality will become positive plus. Okay, so it becomes here this. Next, what we have done, next we have simply subtracted this portion from 1. Okay, so we have get this value. Next, we have kept V square on one side, and factor in the denominator is shifted to other side of equality, and hence it becomes as a multiplying factor with 0.2775. Okay, so in short, V square becomes equal to this factor. Okay, because this is still same, however these two after multiplication become 2.49. Okay, 0.2775 into 8.998 becomes equal to 2.49, while remaining factor is the same as appearing here. Okay, so this is a V square, and when we take under root on both sides, then we will get the value of V, which is equal to 1.579 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second, and this is our required solution. Okay, required speed which we were required. Okay, what speed should you give for this spacecraft? Okay, so we should give this speed to spacecraft. Okay, which speed? This speed, 1.579 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. And this is the end of our problem. This is the end of our video. Till next video, Allah Hafiz.